Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft and you keep getting this error, failed to log in with error code drowned, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Minecraft easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections, and then what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have the blue LAN. Right click on it, click properties. You're going to scroll down here and click on to Internet Protocol version 6. You're going to make sure you untick it. After that, click OK here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, and then you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go ahead and download this software on your computer. Once you're done downloading and installing it, you're going to open it up. And once it's opened, now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto Cloudflare Warp, and you're going to click onto this settings icon. Make sure to set it at 1.1.1.1 with Warp, and then connect it. Wait for it to connect. Once it's done connecting, now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that drowned error code anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.